Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a shoe poster design using Canva and PICSART. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative graphic design tutorials.
There are so many things that I left unsaid. My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Take you like a Fill you like a pill to get my fill. No, do me in the worst way. Don't let me sleep, never say you're sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. down just like a pill. Oh yeah. Take you like a pill. Get my fill. Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know